Day 55. Installing the floor, finally.
If I had a floor on the bus, I would dance. If I had a floor and I had hips, I would dance.
That looks like a pony stamping its feet.
Well,
So I vacuumed the floor last night in prep for floor installation today, but sometimes you just gotta do it by hand. That would have been under the floor, and that would have been no bueno.
today's painting schedule is crazy.
Because it's Wacky Wednesday, right? You betcha.
Wacky.
Look at this, it's everywhere. You'll be able to put this in and cut some of this out.
Very exciting, we have floor. This is the floor that we scored on Craigslist for $100. Would have cost us about $700 total for everything, including tax. So a really good savings, but it looks amazing, check it out. So I put the panel there where the umbrella stand is going. Yeah, like that just looks so sharp. Super happy with it. Just finished up here. So now I'm gonna start running planks there and work in the bathroom. I would like to point out that these are not Robert's jeans. However, they definitely look a lot better than Robert's jeans. Staining more wood. There's a deer, Tubbs.
You wanna go outside? Can you kitty outside? Kitty Coral. Kitty Kerfuffle. Get it, kitty.
Okay, so the geese in the area is an issue because they leave poo everywhere and you can't even swim the lake. So we've been scaring them off. And that's how it's done every day. All right, I got the floor done in the bedroom area. It's looking cool how it goes up into the toilet there. I'm gonna pull this hatch out next and line up the boards, and I'm actually gonna glue those boards to that hatch. Not sure if I'm gonna finish that or not because I might just put trim there. And then yeah, it just goes all the way down. Looks really great. I'm super happy. I really can't believe by fluke that we got this on Craigslist and the color of the wood matches so perfectly. So nice. All right, so I got my pieces cut out that go on the floor here on the lift up board, and the lines should line up with the current boards in the floor in there. So now I'm just gonna glue it and clamp it all.
Locked and loaded.
All right, it's clamped down, so I'm just gonna let that dry and then I will shave it a little bit with the table saw and put it back in. Just working on another cool little visual project for the bedroom out of the piano. We got a bunch of the trim stained and ready to go, so tomorrow we can actually start doing some of the coffered ceiling and putting trim in. It's gonna finish everything up nice. Going for a happy hour break with the neighbors. It's the neighbor's birthday. End of day update on the bus, day 55. So we got the floor in. We didn't work on any of the uppers or anything. Focused mainly on the floor and just finishing up some of this loose ends over here, but looks really good. We're super happy with the color. I'll go up into the bathroom and bedroom area. This is our sort of quirky decoration that we're gonna have on the bed. We're using more of the wood paneling there. We just filled the holes and we're gonna sand it and stain it so it looks finished. But yeah, here's the in-floor shower pan. I'm just sort of working out the final details on that, but I've got the wood here on the hatch, just clamped and glued down in a couple spots where it didn't quite adhere. Bathroom's looking really good. Yeah, overall successful day on building this stuff. And we're starting to get into the fun decor stuff, which is exciting.